guys, welcome to Joe's Crafts and DIYs. For today's video, we will do a simple tutorial on how to make a cross out of your palm leaves, or in the Philippines we use coconut leaves. So I have a strip right here about ½ inch wide, but maybe this is 2 feet. So first you hold it up, right, and then about 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 inches, fold it down, and maybe third from where you fold, maybe 2 inches. So it's like this, and look how long it is. So I fold it right there, and then I bend it. So from the stem, you bend it towards the right, and you're making like an angle. Just ignore my nails, guys, and my super dry hands. So you fold it like that, and then bend the palm behind the main cross. Leave maybe an inch right there. So something like that. Bend it forward. You don't have to make it a really perfect because it's so hard to do this. So you fold it right there, right? Twist it a little bit. So twist and go like in between these two. I twisted it. I'm gonna go over and behind, and then I go here. So it's like that. I'm gonna go under here, or you know what, I can go over and then down just to lock it up. And right here, over and down. So now it's looking like that. Now I can just go on that side, and then I can also go lock it from here. Go under there so you can lock it. There we go. Okay, so I lock it. Okay, and that's the front. So this is my cross. That's the front, but I don't want it fronting like that. So I'm gonna use this side right here as the front, and then tucking it in again. Tucking it in again, and that should be good. I can just leave it right there, or I can even tuck it in again over here. There you go. So there it is. So there's my finished product. I am so bad at trying to get equal sides, because look at that. It's not even, but I have a cross for my Palm Sunday, right? It's very easy. I mean, you can do it however you want to do it, as long as you can form a cross. It doesn't really matter, but that's how I did it. Okay,